And right now, I'm joined by Amy Ye. She is a beverage lecturer from Chen. Welcome, Amy.
Well, hi Tina. Hi everyone. I'm Amy Ye. I'm a beverage lecturer at Chen Food.
Amy, can you tell us a little bit more about your company?
Sure. So Chen was founded in 1983. We made a lot of support efforts for the bubble tea supply chain, and also we have a lot of different kind of material for the bubble tea business.
So we know that Chen is a bubble tea expert and that you hold a variety of certificates like the FSSC 22000, the ISO 9001, ISO 22000, as well as HACCP and the Halal certificate like MUI. And that Chen has a very proud history of 30 years and you're currently exporting to dozens of countries. Last but not least, we have the award-winning Nuwara Eliya black tea. So I know that in Chinese,
yes,
the Nuwara Eliya black tea has a nickname. It's also known as the champagne of Ceylon tea. Can you tell us why?
Yeah, so before we start the introduce, I'll make the bubble tea, like a bubbling tea drinks for you first.
Great.
Yes.
So basically you draw inspiration from the Chinese nickname, right? Champagne of Ceylon tea. That's wonderful. I've never actually thought of adding sparkling water to the tea. So
yeah,
it sounds like it's going to be a very interesting and delicious drink.
Yeah, and also for this tea, it's from the high altitude in Nuwara Eliya. Nuwara Eliya is a region in Sri Lanka, and we blend it with the India black tea. So enrich the flavors, and also for this area, the tea of this area, you got a slightly refreshing mint for the aftertaste. Now we've done the shaking part, but we're not done yet, and there's no alcohol at all in this beverage, so even kids can drink it. Yeah. So I'm going to just pour the tea into a glass for the halfway like this, and we save some space for the sparkling water.
I like it because it has that sparkling water's bubbly texture,
Yeah,
and at the same time you can still taste the tea's mintiness and the fruitiness. This is very good. So this is it from for our first segment from Chen. It's very nice to have you here with us, Amy.
Thank you.
And before we conclude this segment, Amy, is there anything that you would like to say to our viewers?
Yeah. So first, thank you all for attending this live stream and to be here like online with us. We're really grateful for you spending this time with us.